Now, let me ask you this: is that what could and should people be doing to be able to make that better today? To be able to make parts more available, or to get the parts they need, or at the right prices? I mean, what are you doing to help people be able to do that?
Well, people need alternatives. I mean, I think so. We're in the alternative to OEM parts space. So there's the OEMs that can provide parts, but at times they can't perform with their supply and whatever supply chains and issues that they're having. So having an alternative, which Jet Parts Engineering, I mean, it is an alternative to that. We do keep all of our parts in inventory and in stock. So we do like to say that, you know, having parts that are ready to ship the next day is a benefit. So I think, you know, finding an alternative that can do that, I think, is important as well.
Well, let's be really specific to people that are watching right now. What are the services that you provide? What is it that your company does?
Yeah, so PMA parts, DER repairs, so component piece part repairs that are engineered, and then MRO services. We do have some component MRO services.
Okay, so component MRO services, you actually have engineering change support, engineering repair support, change support, you said, or DER support?
It's DER, and then also the component repair services, so maintenance on that equipment,
and then parts,
and parts. So we kind of have all three. It's essentially you can send the components to us for repair, and then we're able to be most cost effective with finding unique engineered repairs solutions within that, or finding parts that are alternatives as well that are at cost reduction.
Perfect. That's great.